We're practicing our campsite for Camporee. Here's what it looks like. Hi everyone, it's Audra from Pathfinder Strong, and here we are in our church backyard setting up our campsite for Gillette exactly how we think it's going to be. I talked with our area coordinator about how much square footage we're going to have and what the dimensions of our site are going to be, and we're going to have a spot that's 50 feet by 45 square feet. So we marked that out in the lawn using a tape measure and some cones. Also, we have worked with a scale model made out of cardboard with the size of our tents and stuff, and we laid everything out like that before we actually did it like this. All right, so one of our staff members made this scale model of what our campsite is going to look like. So we've got our 2 canopy tents, our trailer, and then we have 11 sleeping tents. So tonight we're practicing like exactly like it would gonna be. So we have everybody in their tents with their stuff, and we've set up tables like how it's gonna be when we're cooking, and we've set up our canopy tents and laid everything out, trying to best utilize the space exactly how it's gonna be. So we actually set up 3 less tents than we're gonna actually need because we have a few of our kids who are on summer vacation already. So we have 3 more tents. 2 are gonna go right here and 1 on that spot over there, but otherwise this is how it's gonna be. So now I'm gonna kind of show you around, and you can see what it looks like.
Sleeping bags.
Did you take your shoes off?
No.
We weren't sticking anything. Oh my goodness.
I'd love to know how you are planning to get ready to set up your campsite. Like, have you figured out how you're going to lay it out, or are you just going to wing it once you get there? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in 55 days.